Journal of Rex Chance, June 15th, 1937. Had a strange dream last night. Incredibly vivid. Could have sworn I was there, running through the woods. Everywhere I looked, I saw what I expected to see, only not in the way I expected to see it. It felt as though I could sense everything, down to the tiniest blade of grass. I was aware of everything, including an overwhelming sadness.
And, they seem to have a lot of animals, boss. Maybe we ought to call Mr. Julius.
And since when have we been worried about a couple of animals? We'll beat it from one side of this iceberg to the other, and we'll enjoy it to boot. Understood?
Sure, boss. I was just thinking.
Thinking? Ha! That's a laugh. Tell the rest of those fools to be on the lookout.
Yes, boss.
And get that blasted generator fixed. And bring me my bleeding coffee.
Whitey Hooten's base is on this island.
How do you know?
You don't work for Julius for 5 years without learning a few things.
Work for him? You never told me you worked for Julius.
You never asked. Your father and I both worked for him. He wasn't always a bad guy, Rex. Your father said that Julius saved his life once.
You had no idea all this was going on. Hey, good people don't turn bad overnight, Lucy.
Our excitement over the Sigma technology blinded us to Julius's true nature. I think deep down we always knew something was up, but we just didn't expect it to go as high as Julius. That's why your father sent you that letter.
Unfortunately, he sent it too late.
For Dr. Chanikoff, yes. But maybe we can set things right by putting a stop to Julius before he hurts anyone else. Sigma was the pinnacle of your father's career. I know he wouldn't want it to fall into the wrong hands.
Then if nothing else, I owe it to him. The Sigma technology's too powerful to remain in the hands of people like Whitey Hooten and Upton Julius.
Your woman is very pretty. Is she for sale?
Thanks. What are you offering?
Rex Chance, how dare you?
I mean, sorry. She's not for sale. We're here to find Whitey Hooten.
You are so dead.
I don't think he likes our chances.
We better get to work then. Whitey might have some new technology on his island. We should try to capture some of it.
New objective, boss.
I'll get on that directly. What would you have me do? The building you requested is complete. For science. Right away.
Ready for action. Sounds like a plan. Right.
Objective done. Great work, boss.
Sounds like a plan. No problem.
How can I help you? Your building is complete. That shouldn't be a problem.
What's next? Let's go.
Objective done. Great work, boss.
Ready for action. Sounds like a plan. Let's go. Sounds like a plan.
A new building is complete. What would you have me do? for science. How can I help you?
Add-ons complete.
Level 2 research is complete. Right away.
Ready.
Our base is under attack.
No problem. Ready for action. Let's go. Sounds like a plan.
The building you requested is complete.
What's next? No.
Rex is being attacked.
Let's go. Right.
What would you have me do? I'll get on that directly. Level 3 research is complete. Your building is complete.
Ready. I'm on it. Rex Chance at your service. Right.
Objective done. Great work, boss.
Let's go. What's that sound?
What sound?
Ready. That thudding sound. Sounds like something big is coming.
I don't hear anything.
The critters are under attack.
Can't you hear it? Maybe it's just me.
The critters are under attack.
What's next? No problem. Ready for action. Sounds like a plan.
Rex is being attacked. The critters are under attack.
Ready.
Rex is being attacked.
Right.
The critters are under attack.
What's next?
The critters are under attack.
Ready. No problem. What's next? I'm on it. Ready.
Yes? For science.
Rex Chance at your service.
The critters are under attack.
Sounds like a plan.
A new building is complete. How can I help you? I'll get on that directly.
Done researching.
What's next? I'm on it. Right.
The critters are under attack.
No problem. Ready for action. Let's go.
The critters are under attack.
What's next? Right.
The critters are under attack. Rex is being attacked.
No problem. Ready for action. Sounds like a plan.
The critters are under attack.
Rex Chance at your service. I'm on it.
The critters are under attack. The critters are under attack. The critters are under attack. critters are under attack. That research you wanted is done. Done researching. The critters are under attack.
Ready for action.
The critters are under attack.
Right.
Yes, for science. Right away. For science. Right away. I'll get on that directly. That shouldn't be a problem. Right away. That shouldn't be a problem.
Objective done. Great work, boss.
A research clinic? What does Whitey research there?
Let's build it and see.
How can I help you? I'll get on that directly. We have a new research topic, Rex. Advanced structure research will allow us to expand our defenses and develop even more sophisticated structures.
Great. More advanced research means I get to smash Julius in a more sophisticated manner.
You're learning quickly.
Well, I've been taught some harsh lessons.
Your building is complete.
The critters are under attack.
Ready. No problem. What's next? Let's go.
That research you wanted is done.
Right. Sounds like a plan. No problem.
Rex is being attacked. The critters are under attack.
Sounds like a plan.
The critters are under attack.
Rex Chance at your service. Ready for action. I'm on it. Ready.
The critters are under attack.
Right. Rex Chance at your service. No problem.
The critters are under attack.
Ready for action. Right.
The critters are under attack.
No problem. I'm on it. Sounds like a plan.
The critters are under attack.
For science.
Ready. Let's go.
The critters are under attack. The critters are under attack. The critters are under attack.
What's next? Sounds like a plan.
The critters are under attack. Objective done. Great work, boss.
What would you... We can build a water chamber now, Rex.
Maybe we can send a surprise attack in by sea.
Right away.
You bastards! You bleeding worms! What, Joe, you think that equipment grows on trees? You sea slugs! I can't believe it! I've never seen such cheek like that! You filthy scums! So bleeding mad! God, you're gonna pay for this! Jeez, that's...
Well, Whitey's a helpful fella. We should be able to take him out no problem.
We got new objectives. Ready, boss. All right. You're the boss. Okay. Henchmen under attack! Huh? I've got one of those things after me.
Ready for action. What's next? I'm on it. Right.
Done building. Henchmen under attack!
Let's go. Rex Chance at your service. Right.
Huh? I've got one of those things after me. The critters are under attack. Hello. You're the boss. The critters are under attack.
Level 4 research is complete.
The critters are under attack. Ready, boss. All right.
What's next? Sounds like a plan. No problem.
Done researching. That research you wanted is done. Hello. Okay. Building's done. Ready, boss. All right.
Ready for action. Ready. I'm on it.
The critters are under attack. Done researching. The critters are under attack. The critters are under attack. critters are under attack.
What's next? Sounds like a plan.
The critters are under attack. The critters are under attack.
Rex Chance at your service. No problem. Ready for action. Let's go. Ready. Right. Sounds like a plan. What's next? I'm on it.
The critters are under attack.
Ready. Let's go. Sounds like a plan.
The critters are under attack.
What's next? No problem.
Rex is being attacked.
Ready. Sounds like a plan.
Rex is being attacked.
What's next? Let's go.
The critters are under attack.
Ready for action. Sounds like a plan.
Rex is being attacked.
What's next? No problem.
The critters are under attack. The critters are under attack.
Ready for action. Sounds like a plan.
Rex is being attacked. The critters are under attack.
What's next? No problem. Right.
The critters are under attack. The critters are under attack.
Ready for action. Let's go.
The critters are under attack. The critters are under attack.
Ready. No problem.
Objective done. Great work, boss.
Right. I'm on it. Right. Let's go. Sounds like a plan.
The critters are under attack.
What's next? Right.
Rex is being attacked.
Sounds like a plan.
The critters are under attack.
Rex Chance at your service. I'm on it.
The critters are under attack. This coal pile is out of coal. Hello. The critters are under attack. Okay.
Ready. No problem. Sounds like a plan.
The critters are under attack. The critters are under attack.
What's next?
The critters are under attack. The critters are under attack.
Rex Chance at your service.
The critters are under attack. The critters are under attack.
Ready for action. I'm on it.
This coal pile is all used up. Objective done. Great work, boss.
You rotten, cheating scoundrels! You ruined my ship!
I guess that's the end of Whitey Hootin'.